you want us to mention, just come on up, give the information to us here at the DJ booth, as well as individuals that brought their cars, okay? If there's anything really special or unique about your car you want us to mention, go ahead and let us know. We'll go ahead and say it throughout the course of the afternoon.
Councilwoman Moore, hard at it. Good morning.
Steve Winwood. You gotta roll with it. Yeah, folks, there are event t-shirts for sale throughout the afternoon. $10 for an event t-shirt and $3 for an event car placard. So if you're looking for either one of those memorabilia, they're on sale. Again, $10 for the t-shirt, $3 for the placard. First request of the morning. Wake me up music. ZZ Top. LaGrange.
You know what I thought about? Just let me know if you wanna go. Great. She got a lot of nice skills.
All right, that's it for our morning sound check. Just again, folks, if you're a vendor, if you're going to give away anything for the trivia prizes or anything like that, come on, bring them up to the DJ booth. If you are an individual or family that's got a vehicle here, make sure if you have anything special about that vehicle you want mentioned over the microphone, just give us the information. We'll be happy to do that throughout the course of the afternoon. In fact, it may also be for good trivia questions. So again, if there's something really unique about your vehicle, you want us to use it as a trivia question to give away prizes, come on, bring it up here to the DJ booth. And again, the vendors, same with you. If you have any specials that are going on through the course of the car show, come on up, let us know. We'll be mentioning that as well. T-shirts, $10, and auto placards for $3.